May is Electrical Fire Safety Month, so now we are learning how to prevent home electrical fires, something very important that we all need to know. Kevin Yates, the president of Siemens Low and Medium Voltage Division, joining us this morning with ways that we can all learn to identify potential hazards and protect our families. So thank you for coming.
Thank you, Kristen, for having me. Good morning.
What are some of the main causes of home electrical fires that maybe some people may not be aware of?
Yeah, I mean, some of the more common reasons for electrical fires in the home would be the age of the home, the age of the wiring, also the misuse of electrical cords, overloading circuits, and in some cases, demographics.
Okay, so what are some of the potential fire hazards that homeowners really need to look out for? Because there are preventative things that we can all do as homeowners to kind of make it so our odds aren't as great for electrical fires.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I think you certainly, there's a lot of information and education, and really just make yourself as a homeowner or even a renter more aware of the hazards around you. But most importantly, understand that there's a lot of advancements in technology that can help give you better protection from electrical fires in your home.
Okay, and what are some of those new technologies?
Well, you know, probably the biggest single development in this in the electrical industry for homes in the last decade has been what's called a combination ArcFault device. Let me just give you a quick example. You go to hang a picture on the wall. You use a nail, you drive that nail through the wall, and that nail happens to pierce an electrical wire. That could actually cause a spark, and over time that spark could start a fire. There's new circuit breaker technology that you can install in your load center or your breaker panel that can prevent that spark from causing an arc and ultimately a fire.
Okay, so why are children, the elderly, and pets the most at risk when it comes to these electrical fires?
Yeah, you know, let's take children. I mean, you know, man, we absolutely love them for their curiosity and their creativity and just how they really push our adult paradigms of the world. But you know, that curiosity sometimes puts them in harm's way. I mean, think about a small child trying to insert their finger or some object into an electrical outlet. That certainly is an unsafe situation. But again, there's a technology answer for that called a tamper-resistant outlet that a homeowner can use to protect that child from electrical hazard.
Okay, what are some of the safety precautions and technologies that people can implement themselves? And you know, it can be easy to do. You don't need to be a licensed electrician. I think that's the main thing this morning.
Yeah, well, some of the things are, you know, understand and be aware of some of the more common risks, like you don't want to use an electrical cord as permanent wiring. It's okay to use that as temporary wiring, but you know, you want to make sure that you take precautions, you know, around the house. You can install surge protection, you know, on an outlet if you need to. But you know, really, if you like, there's a lot of information out there about how to protect yourself and your home. I'd encourage all of your viewers to go to usa.siemens.com/whole house safety to get more information.
Okay, perfect. A lot of great, valuable resources out there from Siemens. So thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much.